What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video today. And today we are going to be doing a mukbang, and I have with me Desiree, and I've known Desiree since the 3rd grade, so legally we are now sisters.
We go way back.
We go way back, like flapjacks on the saddleback. I let that slide. But yeah, right now we are just waiting for some wings that she ordered. And we are a
little buzz.
It's legal, you know? Like,
tell them what kind we have.
it's called Sex on the Beach. Sex on the Beach. So yeah, we just went on the goods. We went on the goods. I don't really eat wings, but she eats wings. So, damn, TV better not be over topping me. So we gonna have some wings. Bro, how long he said we gonna take?
I don't know. Tell Pedro come here.
Hey, yo, fam.
Hey.
But these folks don't want us to eat. How you gonna get somebody high but don't feed them? The audacity.
It's all day. Get high and get paid.
You want some? Here. Try it.
Puff, puff, pass.
Here. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, well. Here you go.
Let's see how long I can go.
If you fall over, I'm gonna piss myself.
Alright, I didn't cough.
So I got my glasses on, y'all. You know. Feeling very... I'm gonna put these back on for my
Sophisticated.
That's
a word.
But yeah, so we in Atlanta. We in the A because I had to come to the studio. And I don't know when I'm gonna put this song out, if I'm gonna put it out.
It's a good song.
There's a portrait.
I was there.
She was there. I don't know. I'll probably insert like a little clip or something coming out.
Running a mile, but you know I'm the talk of the town. Hoes don't wanna try me cause they already know what I be about. Yeah, I'm from the 727 and that's in the 334. But my own city don't fuck with me. Fuck it, why? I don't know. So fuck the town, fuck the city, fuck everybody that's really against me. Since everybody wanna know my business, I'm trying to finesse my ways and productivity. Bitch, I know, so fuck
But I don't know when I'm gonna put it out. It's new. Look at him, look.
If you want to come. It's not my food. It's only fries. Shoot, we've been waiting a long time. We should have fries too.
I just know you lying. Look at you want to bust that long walk. It's okay, G.
I like what, you want me to rock one more time?
Come on now.
I wish you might. I just get away.
Come show your face.
Oh yeah, come show your face. Come on. Go ahead.
Tell them your name.
My name is Hookah. How y'all doing? They're annoying.
Oh wow.
What is that, YouTube?
It is.
We ain't friendly.
They're not friends?
Then he took the ranch.
Oh yeah, we need blue cheese too.
You gonna burn yourself?
I mean, we got the main thing. We got the food.
What the hell? Oh y'all crazy.
See.
Oh wow.
Wow.
The shame.
Let's look at the wings.
Okay. This is what we got, y'all. Yeah.
See, I like the flat wings.
I'm finna have to put my hair up for this shit. Look at
Look at them.
this. You can't wait to get that one.
She gotta put her hair up for the wings. It's about to get real.
You know when your girl put your hair in a ponytail, you saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, you're walking around with hot rocks.
No, he's so nice. What's your name?
Omar.
Yeah, I got a new tattoo. That's it. That's all y'all see.
She got all the tattoos. Know how many tattoos I have? 9.
She's a virgin to the ink.
These wings good, y'all.
Oh wait, I need a thumbnail. Okay, so that shit came out something cute. What are we gonna talk about? What should we talk
Who like
about?
flat and who like drumsticks?
I'm gonna get a drum. Cause I don't know why people talk down on drums.
Flat is way better. When you try not to get messy.
I don't eat wings. Okay, I know what we can talk about. The first time we met. Way back when.
3rd grade.
Okay. So. The sauce is not bad.
I was scared at first.
Okay. So we met when I moved to Montgomery. And my mom forced me to go to some school I did not want to go to. So, 3rd grade, I'm walking in, and obviously I'm the new girl, so I'm on stairs, and I'm like, well, this is even more awkward. And the teacher at the time, she was like, well, just pick somebody to like sit with or whatever. So everyone was like, and I'm like, I'll choose her. Cause she wasn't like, she was the only one that wasn't like good, and everyone else is kind of weird. So I'm like, yeah. So since then, we've been together. Well, not together.
Friends / sisters.
Yeah. Oh. Tastes like chicken.
Chicken.
Oh.
Want a ranch?
Ew. Who put ranch on chicken?
I mean, some people do. Or blue cheese. I think ranch is not all that.
How do you screw up ranch? I don't want to try to not all that ranch.
What type of music is this?
I guess they say turnt music.
I eat so slow.
I do not eat wings. I feel strange. I'm almost to 700 subscribers. And when I came back to YouTube, I only had 100 and something. So in the past, 2 months, I've gone up to 700. And I feel pretty damn good about that.
Is that a dog?
Bro, you high.
I don't want to stare.
Where, dog?
I can't tell if that person or a dog.
Where?
In front of us.
Where? Bitch, that's a jacket. No more for you. Cut her off. Cut her off. Oh, I see why people like flesh. You can get some meat.
I guess I'm at her table now. Just gonna put the wings on my lap.
I was hoping you wouldn't notice.
You want no more?
That was a lot. A lot of meat. I ate two.
It's a lot of meat.
I mean, I eat meat, but the leaves there.
She got like 5 wings.
Boy, it's like when you first take a hit off it, that's when you feel a little buzz. Like I keep telling you, it's like try it, but I cannot force you to smoke. So,
Okay. The rest can be put up.
oh, post-merch singing / rapping. For everyone that kept wondering where my phone was, I still have my phone. I don't know where my phone would be going, but here. So this is my phone. Everyone kept asking, where's your Max? Where's your Max? Here's the Max. Here's the Max. So there's that. You full already?
I mean, I'm good right now. I ain't full, but I'm good.
What the hell? Are you giving him an ASMR?
How y'all eat the chicken?
This is actually my first time at a hookah bar.
Don't try this at home, kids.
I feel like I need to be belly dancing.
Oh, how they doing? I don't know. Right, left, right, left, hey. Ooh, hey, hey.
Bro, I got the keys. I got the hookah inside of me. I'm high as fuck and I'm feeling the leaves. Ooh, weed. Alright.
Smoking on weed.
We smoking on weed, we smoking on tree, we blowing with pressure. Ooh, it's a me. I'm finna get high, I'm finna go out, I'm finna go down. I'm in the south. Ooh, you can't fuck with me. Hey. Ooh, hey. Okay. Yo. So I'm sitting in the hookah lounge, you know, kinda high, and I don't know what's going on with counter guy, and he coming over here trying to talk to Sue, but Sue engaged, she don't want you do so about her face, and you gotta go away, cause I'ma tell her fiance tried to talk to her today, and he gon' come up here and shoot you in your face, cause he in the military and he will not play, bitch. Ooh. Bars.
Feel like we on Mars.
Oh, smoking out of jars. So far.
Y'all gonna get scarred.
No, I was 6 afraid of 7.
Why?
Cause 7, 8, 9.
Whoa.
You heard it here first, you guys. Bro, I still haven't got up and peed.
Okay. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's just me and y'all. Feeling too good. Good they don't have to drive back.
Well, you guys, seeing how I'm sure a battery's gonna die pretty soon, we're gonna wrap this video up here and continue smoking out of this here hookah until one of us probably pass out. So, with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Make sure you like, comment, all that good jazz. Got a condom?
On a banana.
Safe sex is the best sex. But y'all, thanks for watching. Once again, this is Desiree. She's most likely going to be in future videos, so be on the lookout for that. But your girl, well, your girls, because it's your girls. Your girl. Oh, you got to do my closing. Your girls. Shade. Oh, you know what? I got it.
I mean,
Your girls. Shay and Desiree are out. Bye, y'all.
Little they know I bleed this shit from the beat to the flow. From kicking in doors to dealing with hoes. From trapping out the back to hanging with the bros to pouring up foes. See, y'all didn't know I so dope, so cold in the lie. Cause these niggas took me as a joke. She just a little kid, she ain't saying shit we ain't already know. Talking about making it, but she just faking it. Talk about money, bitch, know I be making it. Spin shit, yeah, I be creating the world, I'm facing it. My story, I'm telling it. Hoes can't relate to the truth, you escaping it. But I'm remaking my heart, be taking it. But I'm replacing the gas, I be smoking the blunts, I be rolling the clips out the gun. But you know I'm reloading.